Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me on a Sunday. Now, normally, the first Saturday of each month, I share the cards in the mail, goodies and treats and cards and things that I've received over the previous month now. But if you have seen on my blog for the last month, I have started a series there, Colour Coordination Showcase. That comes out on a Saturday morning. So I didn't want to clash with that or move the timing of that because that's weekly on a Saturday. So for going forwards, my cards in the mail will be on the first Sunday of each month. And that's what I'm doing today. So I've got lots to show you today. I'm going to start with this one. So this was a lovely, lovely card from one of the gorgeous girls on my team. And she just said, thank you so much for the loot you sent me recently and last month too, all gratefully received and will be put to good use. And this is just a lovely card from lovely, lovely Rachel. She knows who she is. And this box here, she handmade me a box, was full of sweeties and chocolates and treats. And you can see there's none gone because this card was to me and the boys, because the boys have been getting really involved in my crafting and business recently, all four of them. And actually Jacob made my thank you cards to my customers this last month, and you'll see his project come out next week. But yeah, that was just really sweet from her to say thank you to me and to us. Okay, so I've got a couple of cards here. So this one, oh, let's get it the right way up. So this is from one of the German girls on my team, Vanessa, and I just love this. This is so pretty. Look at this. I want to say Highland Heather, but that's the colour. Actually, do we have Highland Heather? Yes, we do still have Highland Heather. And she was cashing in some vouchers, so popped them all on there, which was lovely. And then this one, look at this. I remember these. Gosh, I want to say they were early on in my Stampin' Up journey, having the tea trinkets and this. Yeah, I'm really sure it was, but this is lovely Pam who sent me this, who shops with me. And she popped this in the post. Just lovely. Too cute. And then I've got a couple more. So this one I know because I can feel how chunky it is. This is Vouchers. Look at our little bead trinket. When the camera focuses. That's so cute. We still have that. We still have all of this. And yeah, Vouchers tucked in there. So that's from one of my team. And this one is from one of my team. And she's tucked her vouchers. Look at that. They've both done them similarly. Little pockets on the left. And this is from Sally. So Sally is Sal Cribben on YouTube and on Instagram, and she's popped this in the post. I like this paper. Do we have this? This must be our paper. It's got to be. Okay, let me move those ones out of the way. And I've got a few more here. Let's bring these two. So I don't have this stamp set. It's the tie-dye background stamp set. I don't have that one. And this one is Donna, who is Taffy Crafting from my team. So she was cashing in vouchers. And this one was Diane. Look, she's made a little pocket as well. With vouchers. That's very nice. That's very, I want to say tuxedo, I think is how I would describe that. Even though these are flowers, let me cast some shadow. There's flowers there and that's embossing. But yeah, it just reminds me of a rather smart tuxedo, which is very nice. And I'll bring some more over here. So this one is, this is Gina. Oh, look at that. So lovely. I like the fact that that moves. I don't know if you can see that. It's sort of, it's held in place by this bit, which sticks out a little further. And it sort of spins. Very clever. How's she done that? I don't know if I can get that off. No, it's not going to let me get it off. This looks to be like a plug of glue almost. Can you see that there? But it spins. How clever is that? Take time to chase the snowflakes. Yes! We don't get enough snow here. We should get more. This one. So look at this. This is from Glynis, who every time she sends me a card, she says, you know, I'm going to challenge your team on how to do vouchers. And this card, she says, tells me inside here, if you remember, I did, it was a few months ago, I did a fold-out gift card holder, and it was very, very easy. What she's taken is that section. There is the fold-out bit I did, and she changed the size and mounted it on a card. And I said to her, when I emailed her to say thank you, I was like, I would never have guessed at all that came about from the card. from the gift card holder I'd made. So, like I say, it was this section, and mine was, you know, rectangular. It was gift card size, but she changed the size and popped it on a card, added in that. Just genius. How clever. Okay, I've got a few more here. So, darling donkeys, so cute, from Jan. They are so sweet, aren't they? They're funny little donkeys. And then this one, who's this one from? Gail, who's done this. That's such a pretty stamp set, isn't it? I need to get mine out and play with it. It's lovely in these colours. Sort of sepia colours. And then that embossing in the background. Just so amazing. And then the last few, oh, that's the ribbon from the box from Rachel. It went round like that, and the card was attached on the front. And then, yep, last couple here. This one is from Jane on my team, who's in South Wales. And yeah, this was cards just to say thank you for the craft retreat. It was her first team event, and she totally settled in with everybody. It was like she'd been at every event before. So, and, oh, hello, Sorrel. This is Sorrel. She's my Savannah, and she has got spots on her. Let me just move her before you get a shot of a bottom or something. You can sit over there. Yes, we'll have the cuddles in a minute. Then a little envelope holding vouchers. They're from Jan, who was this card over here. I've lost it. Oh, a kitten helping. Was this Jan? Yeah, that was Jan's card. So those inside and there. And this was our designer series paper that was free during celebration. Let me just move the cat off my arm. Free during celebration, and it's not Gorgeous Leaves. What's it called? I can't remember the stamp set, but we do have it. It's in our autumn winter catalogue, in our mini catalogue, which is lovely. So yeah, amazing, gorgeous cards and yummy chocolates and Percy pigs that were in here. And she's just launched onto the back of my chair behind me. Yeah, 2 bags of Percy pigs. Yummy, gummy sweeties from Marks and Spencer's. Have you seen that advert yet? Oh, that's so funny. The Christmas advert. Oh, no, that went with that. But yeah, lovely, gorgeous, glorious, amazing stuff from team and customers, and just, yeah, I'm a happy girl. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.